air, we find our way. With the walkie-talkies call through the night and day, our voices never fall. Buttons pressed, antennas high, on this frequency we rely, connecting hearts mile by mile, with our trusty walkie-talkie style. Talk to me through the radio waves, our secrets and dreams it safely saves. In every beep and every tone, our bond grows stronger, never alone, with the walkie-talkie radio. Over the hills and far beyond, our words travel on and on, from field to street, from dusk to dawn. This little box, our constant song, sharing laughs and sometimes tears, in good times and the bad years. With this device we have no fears, our friendship always perseveres. Talk to me through the radio waves, our secrets and dreams it safely saves. In every beep and every tone, our bond grows strong and never alone, with the walkie-talkie radio. So here's to you, our radio friend. Till the end, our voices blend, with the walkie-talkie by our side, our journey's always open wide.
This is ANYSECU A420. We press this, it is only POC radio. Press this button to transmit. It will transmit from this HD1565 to this only analog radio. How it works? It is a repeater function of this HD1565. How to set it? First we set the work mode to the repeater mode. We already set the repeat mode. Then we set the same frequency of the left side 441.125 and the right side ANYSECU 01, and this is a count of ANYSECU 02. We press transmit. It will start the repeater mode. Hello, hello, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we press the PTT of the analog radio, it will jump transmit to the POC side. Hello, hello, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how the repeater function works. For more information, please refer to ANYSECU. Thank you.
In the static air, we find our way, with the walkie-talkies call through the night and day, our voices never fall.